Okay, so I'm going to create the profile in part. So if I use the line command and start here, S for symmetric, and this wants to be 770. And then if I go to an arc, this wants to be 150 by 90, and then 257. So at that stage I'll exit out, and then I'll create the other planes that I'm going to work from. So just create the plane and then position it over here, and that way I can lock to it. So if I go tangent arc, if I hover over that plane there and go F3, Control H, start there, make sure that I'm getting the right thing. 150 by 22, and if I unlock that, back to my isometric view, and then naturally I'll just draw the next bit. So again I'll lock back to that plane there and keep my tangency 257, and then I'll create the extra plane that I need. I'll take that one and drag it back to there, drag it up to there, drag it back to that point there. Probably I could have done it from the other end, but it's easier to go this way. And then we'll rotate it around. So then we've got the plane to draw the last section on. So if we go back to our tangent arc and unlock the plane from the previous version and relock it, Control H. So we will go tangent arc, (150), 90 degrees. Draw our line. A for arc, and again we want to make that 150 by 90, and this should be able to pick up off here. 257, escape out of there, and then I will have one more copied plane, and I'll drag this across to here, and then I can do my tangent arc. Lock into that plane, and again 150 by 22, and then getting the last bit into place is a matter of doing a tangent arc and once again we'll lock to this plane. 150. And I should be able to. So it's not quite measuring up because it's on a different plane, but if we unlock that, it won't hurt to sort of leave that unconnected. So we'll save this out. I'll call that path. And then go new assembly of active model. Okay, so I've got that in here. Then we need to go into our under tools, you've got frame. And instead of using Path Express, which seemed to be a little bit more complex to create that, I can go frame here and use this profile. So you can see it's sort of broken it down into sections on the different planes. But that should allow me to go around and pick it all up. I've just chosen around 1.5 inch. If you're not sure how to create the frame section, then I can do a video for that, but we'll accept that, and then that creates your frame. So I've just created the assembly, and then I should be able to go and close frame, and from there we can go and new drawing of active model. And show tube centerlines is on. And we'll go front view. And you can see the centerlines are on there.